Welcome to our guide on how to disable message requests on Discord for PC, especially with the latest update. If you want to streamline your Discord experience and gain more control over your direct messages, follow these simple steps. First, open your Discord app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the necessary settings. Once the app is open, look for the gear icon, which you'll find near your username at the bottom left corner of the screen. Clicking this icon will take you to User Settings, where you can manage various features of your account. In the User Settings menu, scroll down in the left sidebar until you find the option labeled Privacy and Safety. Click on it to dive into the privacy options available to you. Now, you'll see several settings that control who can send you messages. To disable message requests from server members, look for the option that says Allow direct messages from server members. This feature allows server members to send you direct messages, but if you prefer not to receive them, toggle this option off. And that's it. By following these 4 easy steps, you can effectively disable message requests on Discord. This simple adjustment can enhance your user experience, keeping your chats organized and minimizing unwanted interruptions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on how to make the most of your Discord experience. Happy chatting!